What to do when your Bluetooth is connected but there is no sound available. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps by which you can fix the issue of Bluetooth being connected but the sound not being available. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first and foremost, drag down your notification bar and see if you've accidentally muted your device volumes. You might also have it selected onto the lower scale and that might be the reason for your issue. So turn it all the way up in order to fix it. After that, solution number 2 is going to your Bluetooth settings and turning it on. And after you spot the device that you want to connect to, just tap on it and then unpair with it. After that, you can repair with it again and that might be also a liable solution. After that, you can also try rebooting your phone and then you can also try going to the settings, trying reset your phone. You can also try resetting the Wi-Fi settings, the mobile data settings and the Bluetooth settings, or you can reset all of them. And there you go. Those are all of the ways that you can fix the Bluetooth connected but no sound issue. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.